Hello and welcome to a beautiful day in Wicklow. This is my favourite river ever. It is just producing mountains of gold. What I'm doing today, this is hunting Wicklow Nuggets part 5. If you haven't seen part 4, I'll put a link to that below. This will all be in a giant playlist eventually anyway. So what I'm doing is, the area I was working downstream, it's very hit and miss. I have the Cali sluice box in here. I'm going to try and set it up just below here. So once I find the gold, there's a whole range of different pulls all the way up this stretch of the river. And what I'm going to do is this is sample panel along here. And once we find the gold, once we clarify where the gold is, then I'm going to set up the Cali sluice box downstream of that. So what I'm going to do first of all is I am going to do some sample panning. I'm just going to take some gravel from here just to try and get the bucket filled up with water so it's nice and stable. I'll get under this gravel here. And I hope it be that there is gold here, because then what I can do is I can set the Cali sluice box right where my salmon and just trick the tube straight into it. And when you see that in action, you see the true value of the Cali, just powerful. I'll take a close up of this in just a second. Just give you a close up here of the gravel we're working. Very clay-rich material. I generally find, you don't necessarily find gold in the clay, you just find gold in the first couple of inches of it. Because the clay effectively acts like a false bedrock. Just give it a quick bounce. That's why I love these half-inch classifiers. You get through it so fast. Yeah, nothing terribly exciting there. Let's have a look at this. Okay, so that's grand. So we've got pretty much half a pan there. So I've got half a pan there, we may as well go pan it. So let's go do that now. So always we're stratifying it. And what we're basically doing is dropping the heavy stuff, the gold, lead, whatever else, down to the bottom. Alright, let's have a quick look together. Let's have a look here, see if there's any gold. Would be nice on the first pan, wouldn't it? That was a big fat zero on that one, unfortunately. No gold in that. So what I'm going to do is, I'll see if we can try and figure out where the gold is. Once I do find gold, wherever I find gold along this stretch, I'm going to set up the Cali just below it and we're just going to power into it. Right, let's crack on with it. Let's go find the shiny. I keep saying I should film everything, but I don't have enough battery for that. Oh my god! Sorry, I should be more professional. I'll just show you what I'm laughing about. Look at that. Wow. Bring around the light so you can see better. This is like when I found my first nugget. Yeah, I'm liking that. So I'll show you where I was digging at. Hang on a second. So basically what I did was, right where I'm going here. So this is where the giant boulder was. I dug out of there, done some sample panning, done absolutely nothing. Then what I did was, I came upstream a little, and I dug out of the clay there, dumped that clay. Then I got a sample pan from this area here, and that's where I got that lovely, lovely piece. If I can ideally set up the sluice along here, there would be great because there's plenty of drop. But if I can ideally set up the sluice here, then I can just put the half-inch or quarter-inch or whatever classifier directly over the sluice box and just sucker straight into it. We normally set a target of buckets, let's say 200 draws. I'll put you in fast frame mode. This is going to be great. Let's continue to find the shiny. I just get a quick view. I've actually been able to work this unclassified. So as you can see there, they can run the sluice completely unclassified. And I knock off the camera now, reserve a bit of power for when we do the clean out. This is hopefully going to be some very good gold. So I'm just going to keep blasting through until I get to about 200 draws. Then I'll come back to you for the clean out. Let's continue to find the shiny. Okay, we're just going to do the pan down from the sluice box. I counted 170 and in between it didn't count. So we'll say, even if we said 200 draws. So this is the pan here. I haven't worked it yet. I just wanted to let you watch it, and we watch it together. I'll do this quickly because there's only a few percent left on the camera. And a lot of filming today. Right, so this is the gold from the Cali. I'll try and get it in the light. That's probably just as easy this way. Nice pieces there. So I hope you enjoyed today's episode of Hunting Wicklow Nuggets, part 5. If you like this, chances are you like the videos I've previously posted and the ones to be posted in the future. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and sure, catch you next one. We can all go. I'm more shiny. Bye bye.